If you have ever been greeted by a frustrating 403 forbidden error message while trying to access your website hosted on Hostinger, you know how stress-inducing that can be. It often feels like you have lost access to your hard work. But the good news is that this is usually a simple configuration issue that you can fix in just a few minutes. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to troubleshoot and resolve the Hostinger 403 forbidden error step by step. If this video helps you get your site back up and running, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated with more technical guides. Let us jump right into the solution. First, you need to log into your Hostinger account. Once you are in, navigate to the Websites tab and select the dashboard for the specific site that is showing the error. From your dashboard, look for the File Manager tool and open it. This will give you direct access to your server files. Once the File Manager interface loads, locate and open your public_HTML folder. This is the root directory where your website files live. The first thing you need to verify is that an index file actually exists. Your server needs either an index.php or an index.html file to serve your homepage correctly. If you do not see one, that could be the source of your error. If the file is there, let us check your file permissions, as incorrect permissions are a very common cause of 403 errors. For folders, the permission value should be set to 755. For your actual files, the permission value should be set to 644. If you see something different, right-click the file or folder and adjust these values accordingly. If you have verified the permissions and the file is still not loading, your htaccess file might be corrupt or improperly configured. To test this, find the htaccess file within your public_HTML folder. Right-click on it and rename it to htaccess_backup. Renaming rather than deleting is always safer, as it effectively disables the file, forcing the server to ignore those specific rewrite rules. After renaming the file, try refreshing your website. If it loads, you know the issue was indeed within your htaccess rules. By following these steps, you should have your website back online in no time at all. It's a quick and effective process that saves you from waiting on tech support tickets. If this tutorial helped you resolve the problem, please take a moment to hit that like and subscribe button for more troubleshooting content. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.